Okay, so hello everyone. What you're seeing here is a Mcnally GPS overdrive 8 Pro. It's a tablet GPS. Personally, I like it. I like the interface. I heard a lot of bad things about this GPS. I heard that it freezes a lot. That it falls off the holder, the magnet holder. I guess the magnet is not strong enough. But I still went ahead and bought it, and I'm gonna try it out, and we'll give you an update on that. So, pretty much, the price of this thing is $619 with taxes, and then they try to sell me that extra warranty and stuff, which is another $48. I said, you know what? No, I got it at Love's, and they gave me a 30-day return. If I want to return it within 30 days, I'm good to I can do it. So I'm gonna start using it tomorrow. We'll see. We'll go from there. And I guess depending on people's or drivers' expectations, I guess they have different experiences with different electronics. So we'll see how it goes with this one. So this one is a Mcnally Overdrive 8 Pro. It's a 8-inch dial. Okay, I shouldn't have done that, but okay, you get the point. So, the contents of the box, we're gonna take a look at that right now. I mean, it's brand new. I haven't even opened it. So let's go ahead and open this box.
What is done cannot be undone. There's one thing that never changes.
Here it goes. Oh shoot, my dumbass. So here it is. It looks like it has a screen protector. I guess this is for the glare. I don't know. That's that. And then please do not return this product to the store. Call us. Okay. I guess they don't want you doing bad reviews on them. I guess this is for the Series XM. I guess you get 3 months free. I don't know if that comes with an antenna or no. I don't know. We'll see. And this is the owner's manual. I'm gonna take a look at this and gonna read it. I'm gonna go through it. And but pretty much I'm interested in the GPS part of it. I know $600 is a lot for a freaking GPS, but I just like it. So let's go ahead and look at the contents of the box. So that's that. And the phone, man, that's really nice. Look at that. Ooh, it's pretty heavy too. You see this? See that? Next, the volume rocker, the home button, and the power button. If you can see that right there. Mcnally. Man, this is nice. It looks nice.
Detectives are always about finding clues and engaging in multiple round gun battles from a range of 50 yards behind parked cars. None of that's true.
This is nice. I like the screen. Look at that screen. That's a big ass freaking screen. What is this? Which is model number. Designed by Mcnally in the USA, assembled in China. Okay. As long as it works. So that's the GPS itself. And then we got a couple more things here. I guess this is like a smart charger. Because it has traffic updates. I'm not sure if I have to connect it to the Wi-Fi or I'll find out how it works. I mean, it's new. It's really nice charger. You know, it's good. That's it. And what else do we have here? And this is the bracket itself. With the suction cup. Man, that's a pretty big ass freaking suction cup. Oh, I guess there's something else in here. More foam. It's pretty well packaged, man. I like it. I like this box. I think I'm gonna keep it. I don't see why I would throw it away. This is our magnets over here, and it locks, keeps it closed. It's pretty fancy. I like that. Okay. So we got more stuff in this box. Let's see. Oh, the antenna. This is an antenna, and it's.
She had no idea why, where it happened, or why.
This might just. We'll find out where this goes. Oh yeah, it does come with the antenna for the XM. Sweet. See that? XM, Sirius XM. First 3 months are free, and then we have here. This, I guess this is an auxiliary cable. It's gonna go from, plugs into this headphone jack, right here. And then the other end plugs into the radio, so you can listen to your Sirius XM. We have home power charger adapter. It's pretty cool too. Shows at 2.0 amps. I mean, whatever that is. And this is the magnet. I bet. Sirius XM radio ID. Yep, brand Mcnally. That's the bracket. You can see that. It's pretty nice. I just hope I don't get disappointed by this, and I don't end up taking it back, because I really like it. It's a nice freaking tablet, man. I don't know. Oh, that magnet is pretty strong too. See that? Woo!
T-shirt is there. Paramedics very often cut clothing.
Yeah.
In the area.
What about this one?
Treated.
Will it work like that? No, it does not. Oh, it has AV in. AV in, a USB port, DC in, and a headphone jack. I guess it has that on there, but it also has it on here. So that's pretty cool. It has an HDMI. See that? This is a little bit different. It has a HDMI port right here, a USB for a headphone jack, and a slot for the memory card. So this is gonna go like this. I heard that it falls off the dash when the truck's rolling and it hits, you know, potholes or whatever. It seems to be pretty strong, so we'll see. The real test is when you're driving, right? Okay, what do we have here? A disc to mount it on the dash. But I think this is going to go in the window of the truck, so I shouldn't have a problem with that. And this, I believe, is going to go right here. Should go like this, should live like this.
Kathy, you've already told me a story that isn't true. What else have you not told me?
Kathy, you know I found blood in the basket. What? Like someone's trying to wipe off blood? A lot of blood? You want to tell me again what happened here?
Okay. Carl came home.
Yeah.
On his hand.
That is nice, man. I like the detail. And also,
Slice my hand a little bit. No, I'm gonna take care of it. Yeah, baby, I got it.
Let me help you. He stopped the bleeding
it's gonna
by
go
washing it up and putting a band-aid on it.
So tell me
like this.
I know I should have told you that before.
On this.
I'm sorry, just with everything that's going on, I completely forgot.
There's always an issue when you have the eye forgot stirring. Could it be? Yeah, sure it could. Could she have not remembered? Yeah. Could she be lying to me?
Look at
I
that.
bet she could.
That's nice.
She got my contact in the hospital.
That is really nice. So let's power it up. There's the antenna, that's the auxiliary cable, and this is a USB plug. I guess I guess I could charge it at the in my house. So yeah, we might do that if it doesn't have any power. So let's turn it on.
He's kind of frail and walks with a cane occasionally. Is a drinker and is usually intoxicated. He also has a gold incisor on the right side of his mouth.
What about you?
He can get a little grabby on women.
Taking a little while to load up.
Because EC puts his hands on her. He's always making sexual comments to her.
I'm gonna try it without
Has also heard
the
and has
anti-glare,
complained to EC in the past. They
and
shouldn't behave like that.
or I should slap it on, and then if I don't like it, I should just take it off. I don't know. I'll see in the morning. I might just do it now. Okay, it says Android is starting. So it has an Android operating system.
Next thing I know, he washed it up.
Oh, look at that.
Already was gone. He didn't tell me where he
That's
was.
nice.
Lieutenant Kendall, I'm just gonna work in the hospital.
Cameras,
Confirm that his right hand had a bandage already cut.
truck tools. Let me see.
So now
A
Kathleen's
little louder.
story has some level of credence.
Okay.
The band-aid is on his hand like she said it would be. I'm still distrustful of her, as I'm distrustful of everything. But she's less suspicious to me than she was. So if she is out for the moment, who's in? Well, EC already cut
Truck
him
GPS.
once. What if EC
Connect to
decided
smart
cut him
mount.
twice?
Your smart mount includes an enhanced antenna that
My hands on EC.
greatly improves the speed and accuracy of the GPS app. Okay, I guess that's gonna be this right here. Or
Lieutenant,
no, this.
so it looks like we found
The heck?
a fellow out in the streets. It's a little suspicious looking. He
Okay.
the officer called for him.
So
This guy kind of worked
I still gotta mess with it. I mean, I
within earshot of the
don't know, man. This is nice.
Interesting.
What's it look like? He's African American. He's
Yeah.
Texas. He's thin. Not too steady looking as a king. Was he
Yes.
from gold tooth by chance?
Like if I wanna find, let's see, communication,
At that moment, I'm thinking
truck
there is a
stops.
guy
Let's
looking
say we wanna go to a truck stop. Truck tools, status, miles,
With my hepatitis
quick
C, I
planner,
felt like
calculator,
best for my
truck
family.
it, tail
And only
run.
8 weeks with Maverick.
No, I
was
guess
cured.
that's not
I
it.
left those doubts behind.
Truck GPS.
My hep C every day, but in only 8 weeks with Maverick, I was cured.
Okay,
I'm
so
worried about my Hep C, but in only 8 weeks from Maverick, I was cured.
Maverick is the only
Live
agent cure
data.
for all common types of Hep C. Before starting Maverick,
Permanent.
your doctor will
Yeah,
test
I'm not
for
familiar with it.
hepatitis B, which may flare up and cause serious liver problems during and after treatment. Tell your doctor if you had hepatitis B, the liver or kidney
Okay, let's
transplant,
exit
other liver
that.
problems, HIV-1, or other medical conditions, are all
communication. No, that's for the
So
phone.
take Maverick with
Has
Xanax
Bluetooth.
or if you've had certain liver problems,
Entertainment.
headache and tiredness. With Hep C behind me, I feel free.
Okay, so where do I go?
There's no looking back, because I am cured.
Where do I go if I want to go to a truck stop? Apps, calculator, camera, dash cam, downloads.
Some women don't think they need it. Some think they need it, but don't talk
Hmm.
about it. Summer's Eve
I gotta mess with it.
give us
So
1 week of showers.
I'm gonna mess with it,
pH balance,
for a little bit,
cleansing that's safe to use every day.
because I don't know.
Summer's Eve.
Bluetooth, location, it's got all that stuff. Let's see, driver connect. What's that? Oh, that's for the e-logs. So I'm sure it should be in truck tools, truck info.
These ladies did not deserve
Okay, I'm not gonna put that right now.
There's no doubt in their minds that the murders are
System update. Exit.
Hi, do you have a travel card? We do. The Discover 8 Miles card. Earn unlimited 1.5
So,
miles on every
there's a
purchase.
camera,
Match your miles at the end of your first year.
dash
You'll
cam.
match by miles? Yeah, mile for mile. And no blackout dates or annual fee. Nice. I was thinking about taking a scuba diving trip. I love that. Or maybe go surfing. Or not.
Starting preview.
Okay, maybe somewhere else. Maybe a petting zoo. Can't go wrong. Can't get
Oh,
eaten.
that camera's pretty
At
good.
the end of your first year. Plus,
See
no
that?
annual fear blackouts. The Discover It Miles card.
Okay. So, settings. I don't know what I'm doing with this thing, man. I'm gonna play with it for a little bit, and I'll give you guys an update. But for now, thanks for watching, and if you like this GPS, you know, there's a 8-inch and a 7-inch, so it's all up to you what your preferences are. So, peace.